So what's inside? There's the seal. Oh, come on. Bam. Okay. Okay, I think I cut something. Wow. Whoa, whoa, wee, whoa. Can you see it? Can you see? Can we just lower the camera, please? Okay. It's hard to unbox this. Maybe like this. Like a TV. I already smell it. I already smell it, my friend. It smells like a golden Audi. It's another seal. A lot of seals. Wow. Look at this. Oh, look how hard this is. It's a hard sticker. It's not a sticker, but it's hard. Gain. Yeah, it's the manual. Very nice, very nice. You can put it like this. Plug it in finally. Whoa. Whoa. Look how this look like. And there it is. Whoa! It looks fantastic. Let me just look at it. Wow. The packaging and everything is very, very premium. You lift it. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Jeez. It looks. Let me tell you, it looks. I don't know. Is the camera justified? The not justified. It in real life it looks way better than on the camera. I don't know what's with the camera, but wow, it's like golden. Anyway, it's also a cable. Oh, there's something. The box. The box smells insanely nice. And it looks. Let me just go wide angle lens. Well, because yeah, it looks like a coffin. I tried to not film with the wide angle lens because the wide angle lens, the performance of the wide angle lens is not that great. Anyway, this is how it looks like. Let me just go back to the normal lens. Has all kinds of different. You know what? You know what we do? You know what we do? We turn off this light. Oh, this light. And now I think it will reflection. It will make a less reflection. Okay, it has this Warcraft signs here. Mesh surface. Warcraft logo. Wow. Okay. Knob feels very nice. Okay, how long is the cable? Now that is the question. Because I need a very long cable for my Blue Yeti stand. Very, very long cable. And yeah, it is long. It's long. It's like, oh, okay, 1.8 meters, maybe a bit more. Let me bring the measure tape. Where's the measure tape? No, I was wrong. It's 2 meters. 2 meters cable, which will end in USB type. This is not Type-C. This is a micro USB, unfortunately, and USB-A on the other end. Okay. Let's just connect it and see how it goes. Immediately start to buzz. Wow. Wow, I like how this works and looks. Oh, you see, different light, different room, and it looks completely different, yeah? Look at it now. Look at it. Looks completely different. Fantastic. Now all you need to do is download the G.SKILL app, and there it is. Well, if you have a mouse or keyboard or whatever, something from Logitech, you probably already have that application.
So there it is. And in here you have all kinds of different settings. I know this is not in English. I tried to change the language, but I couldn't. Probably I have to change the whole Windows language. And my Windows is in Polish. I don't know why it should be on English. Yeah, I tried to find some option to change the language, but there's none. Logitech Cube. Why? Anyway, let me just guide you through it. You can change here for stereo. Oh, can you hear the difference now? You hear the difference now? You probably heard. You probably. Oh, you can hear the difference. Oh, stereo. Is this a stereo? Wait. Oh, we couldn't be on stereo. We have to on this quadro. Now this should sounds way better. There's also a blue voice effects, so we can use all kinds of effects. Sounds and come down.
Like the old covers edition. The demons, orcs, and
robots. Let's just turn it off. Let's go back. There's also a couple of presets here. Those presets are very, very nice. This one for the high voice, a second one for the high voice. It's soft, so hard, high voice, soft, hard voice, soft, hard, soft, hard, high voice, soft, high voice, loud. Anyway, you hear me what is going on here. My English is still not that great, and it's very hard to translate it for me because it's very technical. But let's. This is a bass, more bass to my voice. This is a clear voice, warm voice. My voice is warm, and I like this. I like a classic radio. This is a classic radio, my friend. I think it's one of the best in here. There's also an FM and AM radio. Good morning, everyone in the radio. Okay, there's all kinds of corrections in here. Let's move on. And here we can. There's some World of Warcraft stuff. Yeah. Let's continue. Now in here, automatically. Now this is the light. This is the light control. You will control your light effects. You see, all kinds of different effects. We don't care about that for now. Yeah, all kinds of effects. Now in here you have another settings for the 3.5 mic, 3.5 headphones. Sorry, it's too hot. I think it's more than 30 degrees Celsius in my studio. Insanely hot. Anyway, there's a correction here, so you can change it. But bear in mind, this is for the... Wait, is my voice changing? I think my voice changing. I was thinking, I was like, wow. So this is not only for the headphones. My voice will change. Or is it? Is it going to change? No, that is the question. Anyway, let's continue. There's a couple of presets here. If my voice changing, that's kind of weird. I think this is only for 3.5mm jack. Anyway, yeah. How do I sound? No, that is the question. We have to turn off. Let's turn off this. There's also a more bass or low bass. You see? Hello. It is changing my voice. Wow. Now that is incredible. Whoa. Good morning. Good morning. What about more highs? And this is more highs. Hello, my friend. I'll have minus. That's minus. That's plus 12. Let's leave it on 0. And let's go back. Put some more gains in here. Classic radio. Let's leave it. What about this one? Okay, let's leave it this one. And I'm also using a voice mode, which is pretty nice. Look. Voice mode. Good morning. I'm testing microphones. Is this too high? I can hear the distortions. That's not that great, my friend. It's not that great. But let's just go back, clear this out, and that's the mic. How can you hear me? Well, is it better than the old Yeti which I have in here? Well, it has more functions. Tons of functions in the app, but it could be overwhelming. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.